Another day by myself. It's been 10 years since I ever seen another monkey. The only place I could go is the Happy Park. For some reason it says Happy Room. But yeah, this is the Happy Park. It's not really happy though, because there's no one else to play with here. Oh!
Somebody found me! It's an evil! It's an evil!
Wait, come back! I'm not evil! I'm not evil! I'm not evil!
I've never seen somebody for a decade, which is 10 years. So yeah.
Well, come with me to my house.
What are we doing?
Come with me to my house.
My house is 04. My house is 04.
This is
I'm coming in your house. Oh,
so,
this is a pretty nice place. Wait, you have a disc? Man, yeah. I love this TV. Ooh.
Wait.
Whoa, I never knew I looked like this my whole life.
So, do you wanna come with me to help everyone, like, get rid of the monsters?
What?
Do you wanna help me beat all the levels and get rid of the monsters?
What do you mean by monsters?
Oh, so you're probably new around here.
No, I'm not. I've been here for like 20 years, bro.
Have you ever seen the lab?
Oh yeah, I've been here before, but I was just too scared to go in these tube thingies.
Yeah, don't go in the tube.
Turn me into a vacuum.
Don't go yet. Jump on top of the tube things, and then just jump on top of them.
Up at top. Okay.
Come up here.
Yeah. No. Whoa.
Look. So these guys are experimenting on all the monsters, and they're making new monsters like every month.
Hey! Look, this is scary meter. Hey, they're trying to scare us. This is why I thought it was a bad idea coming here. Let me see something.
Wait.
What the heck?
Look.
It's not Christmas anymore, dudes.
It's not.
TT! Where are you, dude?
Am I too?
Dude, it's not Christmas anymore. Dude, it's not Christmas anymore. It's April.
How do you know it's April? Like, there's no...
I don't know.
It's snowing.
Look, it says
outside.
right there on that screen. I think it says right there on that screen. I think it says April. So yeah, it's April.
Well, come on.
It's April.
Let's try to beat this one.
What the
I have
heck?
to swim in the ocean to get here. It's so cold. Where am I?
What the heck and why are we here, bro? Is this your idea?
Where's all the lights?
All your idea.
Why is there a level
Dude,
here?
this is just a normal circus, bro. What do you mean by monsters?
I mean, all I see is a monkey.
Okay, Circus Clown, it's just your normal day life.
All I see is a monkey.
My vision! My eyes!
What happens if we pull this level? Oh, it's so bright. All I see in the circus is just a monkey playing with toy knives.
Yeah, all I see here is just a monkey playing with toy knives. Hey, look, I found a toy knife.
Like, those can't be real. Those
decoration.
Those knives can't be real. They must be toys.
They're not knives. They look like fake machetes. Idiots.
They look like butts.
Hey, look, it's my
They look like buttholes.
Oh look, it's my very own room. I'm going in.
Oh yeah, let's go.
My very.
I don't want to get close to that thing, so just stay on top of the boxes.
And he's chasing us.
Wait.
What the heck is wrong with you?
Is that ketchup on him?
Yeah, I think he tried eating a burger.
Yo, what's that? What is that?
Oh, hey, bunny. Wait, what the heck is that?
Why is the bunny?
Okay,
why is the bunny like that? Nah. Let's go all the way over here.
Dude, I think I found something.
Oh yeah, there's another level. This must be for like the lights. Yeah, now the lights are on.
Ew! Buddy? Jacob?
Yeah.
Is your name Jacob?
Yeah, my name's Jacob. How do you know? Wait, is your name Aiden? Cause I could see like something on your chest that's saying Aiden.
Yeah, I have a tag on me. I have a name tag on me.
Oh.
Time, bro. Let's go there.
Ow!
Dude, what the heck happened to you? Oh, that's
The
dead
knives
body.
are real. The knives are real.
Oh, I can see even more blood on it. Wow. Man, I can throw really far, bro. My hand is heavy. Die. Okay, bro. Let's go. Dude, right over there.
Wait! He's coming.
I saw something.
Wait!
It's like a clowny guy.
Wait for me.
I know, but this is horrifying. Circus. Hey, clown. It's Pennywise. It's way more scary. Wait, what's this thing?
Yo, where are you?
I'm in this thing where it shows a clown and the lights are on, though. But it's so bright in here.
Wait!
Dude.
I don't think that they could
like
get us. Wait, there's a level over there. Let's go get it.
Yeah, like, balloons aren't supposed to be that strong, bro. Oh, they're made out of metal, because I can see the lines. Where? Where'd he go?
Wait, where are you? Come on.
Oh, you're right there. Dude, look, I found this thing on my, I just pressed on my thumb and look. I
Wait.
turned on this thing.
Wait, what's this playlist? Oh, wait, we could do that. Yeah.
What? We're not players. We're monkeys.
Okay. Oh, the lights are so bright.
Come here, kid.
I guess we're the last monkeys.
Yeah. I mean, it only shows 2 of us. You know, let's go the other
are
way,
the-
actually. Let's go the other way.
Yeah.
I have a good feeling about this way.
I have a bad feeling about this.
Why?
Like, we're the last monkeys, and who knows what happened to the others.
Yo, can you come back?
What happened to my monkey? Dude, I heard
Go
something.
around.
I heard a curtain.
I will get you.
Dude, I heard a curtain.
Yo, come back.
Jacob,
Come here,
I heard a curtain open.
Aiden, come back.
Okay, no, Jacob, I heard like, a
Is there
curtain
a
open.
level here? Is there a level over there?
yeah.
Wait, I need to get it.
Come on, run. Run as fast as you can, dude. Jacob,
No,
run
I
as fast
can't.
as you can. He's dangerous. Oh, dude.
What is that pixel?
I think this is our first time noticing, but look at that board with the star on it.
Why is there knives on there?
Nice. I don't know. Dude, I think I found it.
The level?
Yeah.
Don't run. I will get you.
After you. Jacob, what happened? Oh, Jacob, please. You stink. My little friend. Jacob. Jacob. He already died once. I don't think he survived. First down.
That hurt. Press your thumb. There's something that says leave. Let's press it. Swimming through the ocean again.
What the heck is happening?
I suck at swimming.
Oh, I sucked in some water. I couldn't breathe.
Okay, guys, a quick pause from the movie. Please like and subscribe because I've been working on this movie for so long. And with that, let's resume the movie.
Oh, my stomach. Oh.
That hurt.
Exactly.
Well,
Dude, like, this is like a cool thing that I found, bro.
well, I mean, we got one of the. Wait, when was that though?
What?
Hey,
What?
Aiden, since when was there a stove over here? Let's check this out.
I don't know. Since when did I get my head stuck in complete reality?
What? The
Reality
media.
there.
What
Do you think we're in like actual our actual home, bro?
Yeah,
You
I
look
mean,
strange, bro. You look strange.
I've been here for 10
Like-
years.
Also, what the heck is on my hand, bro?
Wait, I'm gonna add this tea card. Let's see. My dressing
At the
room.
car?
Wait,
I'm gonna put this on.
I guess I could just take it out with me. I
I
mean,
look so fun.
there's no security here, so I could just take this out. So yeah.
Yeah, cause they died.
Yeah, where's all the security at? I mean, I just walked in the
Ours will last
stove.
months. Dude, look at my funny dressing.
Oh,
Is it funny?
yeah.
Is it saucy?
Okay, guys. So, I'm gonna take a break in the movie, so go get some popcorn while you're waiting. And yes, yeah. Not right now.
Wait, did you end the recording? Okay, guys, just take a break from the movie. Yo, is it okay if I get off? I don't really want to play this anymore. Dude, what do you want to play? I don't really want to play this anymore. I kind of feel like playing
Alright,
Circus.
guys. And that's the end of episode 1. See ya.
Dude, I'm gonna leave.